This is your daily glimpse of science.
Good morning, Dark Matter 1. Anything new today?
Hello, Dark Matter 2. I've just learned that visible matter only accounts for a small part of the universe. We, dark matter, actually constitutes for 85% of the matter of the universe. Even though dark matter particles help form galaxies and structures in the cosmos that are much bigger than the stars and planets, the humans can only notice our effects when we appear in huge numbers due to our weak interactions.
If we make up of most of the universe, how are we distributed throughout the galaxies?
The distribution of dark matter in galaxies follow the maximum entropy.
What does that mean?
It means that we, dark matter particles, need to collide with each other to create the maximum disorder to reach a thermodynamic equilibrium or our most probable state.
But I thought that, unlike gas molecules, the gravitational force on us, dark matter particles, is weak, making us hardly collide with each other.
You're right. That's how dark matter reaches equilibrium still remains as a mystery to the scientists. But in dwarf galaxies where dark matter ratio to total matter is higher than in massive galaxies, the maximum entropy of dark matter has been more noticeable.
So how does this new study about the maximum entropy affect the humans' ongoing practical applications?
Since the study suggests a much lower central density resulting in the distribution of matter in the thermodynamic equilibrium, now the astronomers have to adjust the gravitational lenses used to measure the mass of a galaxy and redesign their dark matter detection protocols. On the bright side, they are thinking that the brightness profile of the galaxies can be explained by using the thermodynamic equilibrium theory on dark matter.
I think that's all the information I want to observe in one day. Now let me go find another dark matter particle to see if we can collide with each other.
Why don't you want to collide with me? If you don't want to, it's okay. Just tell me the result next time we meet. The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.